guys, welcome back to Tay Deco. My name's Taylor and I'm a part-time Poshmark reseller. Today I'm going to be showing you a 25-pound box of Rent the Runway items that I purchased on Whatnot. I was on Whatnot and I was scrolling through all of the shows, and this one lady bought a whole palette of Rent the Runway items, and then she was showing us like what was in the palette and like creating manifested boxes for resellers and auctioning them off. And then if you went to her buy it now section, you could buy like a 6-pound box, 25-pound box, or a 50-pound box. So I bought the 25-pound box and I think the total was about $252. I did look through the items already. I already opened this up because I was too excited and I couldn't wait. I kind of wanted to look up some of the brands and be more informed on the item and like where the flaws were, because another thing to know is the Rent the Runway palette that she purchased, they were flawed items or dated items or just inventory that Rent the Runway was just moving out. I did list a few of these items already on Poshmark and one of them sold at a great price and I'm so happy about it. So I'll let you know what item sold and at what price when that one comes up. Okay, so let's get into this unboxing. The first item is this is a great item. So this was 133 Social and it's a size 6. It's this beautiful deep purple color with the knot and then the rest of the dress. So it's like a maxi length. There's a slit and with the cutouts. This is in great condition and I think I'll definitely be able to make a good profit on this item. Very excited for that. Okay, this next item definitely needs steamed and brought back to life a little bit. It's MIH jeans, and then you can see that there's some ripping on the lining, but it is a velvet jacket, like a blazer jacket. Super cute, pretty like basic style, size medium. So I'll probably list this around $50 and see how that goes. This item I was really excited for. I never heard of this brand until I got this box. It's called Marchesa Notte. This is a size 0 and it's this really pretty pink and black embroidered dress. There's some sequin throughout. It's like this, it's bodycon, really pretty. I think that I'll be able to make a decent amount of money on this one. Okay, this one I was so sad when I found the flaw. So again, this is that same brand, Marchesa Notte, and it's so cute. It has like boning and like the top is so gorgeous. It's just navy blue, maxi, but on this cutout, there's some mesh and of course, there's a hole. So that made me sad, but and it's in a spot that you can't fix. I feel like if you put that on, it's just, you can tell. So that was unfortunate. I'll probably have to put that one as a loss. Okay, this one, the brand is called Cita Muerte. And this is a Spanish brand. The tag said it was made in Barcelona. It's a size 42, which equates to about a size large in US sizing. And it's just this really long, oversized cardigan. Really pretty. There is a lot of pilling, so I'll definitely have to run my sweater shaver through it. But once I get it in good sellable condition, I think that I'll definitely be able to make some money off of this one. Okay, next, this is a great brand. So this is Black Halo. There's definitely a following with this brand. It's a size 6, and they are known for their sheath dresses and like their sleeveless dresses like this. I love this collar, it's really cute, but I definitely think this is a great one. Okay, this one is Badgley Mischka. There is like some paint or something. I think that Rent the Runway put that on there, on the tag. But this is a size 6. It's just a strapless maxi chiffon dress. Really cute. Okay, this one definitely had a flaw. So you can see there's a strap here, but then it's missing over here. It's really pretty. It has so much sequin, and the brand is ML Monique something. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's an 18W. So what I'm probably gonna do is have my mom take this strap off and then just put 2 new straps on, and then I'll take photographs and say that it was fixed and the straps were replaced and lower the price. So even with that flaw, and once I get it fixed, I should be able to make some money on this one. Okay, this next brand, I personally love it. I've worn this brand to so many weddings. The brand is called Hutch, and Anthropologie sells this brand. They have some really cute dresses. This one's an extra small, and it's long sleeve. It has crushed velvet and then this cute metallic waistband. Super adorable. Was really excited when I saw that one. These are so cute. This is the brand Bronx and Banco, and this is an Australian brand. These shorts are in excellent condition. They obviously need steamed, but they're just these green high-waisted shorts. They should be good for spring and summer. Okay, next I have this Rebecca Taylor tweed like blazer jacket. Really cute, kind of just a basic. It is a size 14, which is great. So I was excited for that one. Okay, this one broke my heart because I was so excited when I first pulled this out, but then I found a huge flaw. Okay, so the brand ALC, size 8, and it's this pleather dress, or faux leather. It has the knot and then this huge skirt. Super cute, very substantial piece. Was really excited when I pulled it out, like I said. But then if you turn it around, there is a huge gash right on the back. So I was so sad. And this, again, this one is not something that you can fix. You can see it was right in the back. I'm probably just gonna have to call that a loss, which is super unfortunate, especially considering that it weighs a lot, and so it probably took up a lot of the weight that's in my box. So, tear. Okay, this one I was so excited about. This one made me so happy, and there's no flaws on it. So it's another Badgley Mischka, and it's a size 22. It's this high neck with the cutout shoulder or cold shoulder, and it's a very like romantic evening gown. So pretty. No flaws on this. I don't even think it was worn. In great condition. Really excited for this. I think I listed it on my Poshmark for $180, and I'm expecting something close to that. Okay, this is the one that sold. So this is another Badgley Mischka. It's a size 4, heavily sequin. Look at how pretty this is. It's gorgeous. I love it. So many pretty beads all over. And the back is so cute. It has like this cutout razorback style. So I listed this on my Poshmark for $250. Somebody offered me $200. I accepted that, and my earnings were $160. So that was awesome. Okay, this one is Victor Glamade, and this is just a cute little puff sleeve sweater. ribbed. I definitely think this will take a while to sell, but I think I'll definitely be able to make some money off of it once it does. Okay, this is the brand Nicholas, which happens to be my husband's name. And this is in excellent condition. This is a ribbed duster cardigan. Really cute. Again, I think I'll be sitting on this for a little bit, but I definitely think it'll sell eventually. Okay, this item, I've never heard of this brand until I got this box. It's called Off Mercer, and it says made in New York. This is a size 4. And when I was looking up this brand, a lot of their dresses were this sheath kind of dress, like a sleeveless fit, kind of career style. I don't know who's gonna be looking for a bright yellow dress, but when somebody goes on Poshmark and types in bright yellow dress, this will be waiting for them. Okay, last but not least are these 100% silk pants. They're from Ramy Brook, and they're these paper bag, high-waisted pants. Really cute, kind of a army green, forest green color. Okay, so that was everything in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content and want to see thrift hauls or ship with me videos, then please subscribe to my channel. I'm brand new to YouTube. This is only my 2nd video, so any kind of support would just mean so much to me. Bye guys.